Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here for Honeybee Stamps. I hope you're doing well today and thank you so much for being here. You guys, I know it's been a few weeks since I've been on the channel and I've been out of town visiting family and all that great stuff in Virginia. So I'm back and I'm ready to start making cards for you guys again and having some fun. So we are going to be playing around with some of the latest products from the latest release. We're going to get Halloweeny today. It's going to be fun. I think I got a little situation here that will be fun. So, we'll discover it together because I have not pre-made this card. And I should really learn from not doing that. But before we get down to the dust to see what we're going to be using today, just a few things. First, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. Click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Really appreciate that. Third, leave some comments down below. Tell me what you think about the card, what's some of your favorite products from the latest release. And fourth, share the love. If you know someone that likes sparkly kitty cats, that likes Halloween, that likes chilling with a dude with cool pink glasses, this video is for them. All right, so let's take a look down at the dust to see what we're going to be using today. Okay, so for today's card, we are going to be using the Sweet Halloween Sentiment set and with the matching dies. We are going to be using the Tangled Web embossing folder. We are going to be using the Lovely Layers Scaredy cat. Here's the little guide to tell you how to put everything together. And then we're just going to be using some various cardstocks to do all the die cutting with. So let me go ahead and get all these set up onto the table and then we'll get started. Okay, so we have all the pieces we're gonna cut out here. I'm gonna cut this cat out of some Aaron Lee Creative. I forget what the name of this paper is. I think it's like Chunky Glitter or something. This one right here is a matte black from Tonic Studios. This is just black regular paper. Oh no, that's the matte too, I think. These two, actually these here are from Altenew. This is a paper that I made using some Simon Hurley paste here, and you can't really see it right now, but it's kind of like an orange reflection. And this is just some random craft paper that I had in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all of this out, and then we'll come back and we'll start putting things together. Okay, so we have everything cut out so far. I may cut out a few more things. I'm not for sure yet how this card is going to go yet. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put the cat together, and then I'll put the other stuff together, offline. But I thought we'd put the cat together because it's super cute, and I think it's going to be fun to see it being all sparkly disco. So let's go ahead and get this together. We are just going to put some foam tape on the back of the kitty cat. Here we go. And again, I like to put dimension on my lovely layers just to make it kind of look more real. But, totally not necessary. You don't have to do that. Let's go ahead and get some honeybee glue because I want to make sure I can move this around a little bit if I feel like it's not stuck down right onto the base. Might have to get a new glue bottle soon. There we go. A little bit of liquid glue here. All right. And now let's get this guy down onto the base. Since we have liquid glue, I'll be able to move it around a little bit just to make sure. But it looks like I did pretty good the first time. Look at that. Look how sparkly he is. Love it. All right, so then what we'll do is I think we will go ahead. All right, let's go ahead and put the eyes on this, on the face. So let's see here. I want to make sure I put this on right. For this, each one's on. All right, so I think that's right. And instead of the tweezers, I think I'm going to use a pickup tool for this. Just going to put some glue there, glue there. Perfect. It's like doing a little puzzle. There we go. And then the nose. Uh-oh, I hope I didn't lose one of the eyes. Where's the eye? The little sparkly eye. There's the nose. Oh, here we go. Ooh. All right, so let's put the nose down. There we go. And then for these guys, let's see how these go on. I think it goes on like that. Yeah, that looks right. This might look a little crazy for a second because there's glue, but it'll dry clear. There we go. All right, so we have the eyes down on the head, and then we are going to do some foam tape on the back of the head as well to give a little bit of dimension. All right. All right, there we go. He looks good. Look at that kitty. He's glamorous. So cute. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put all these guys together, and then we'll come back and we'll do the next step of the card. Okay, so we have these guys put together, and as you can see, I have the hat on the cat. Oh my God, I love it. And so for this guy, I was thinking, he seems a little a little boring compared to his little friend here. So I think what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do this off camera, but I'll come back and show you. But I think I'm going to take some of these Fall is in the Air gem stickers and Sweet and Spooky, and I'm going to fill these holes in with those rhinestones to make him a little sparkly too. So let me go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll come back and show you what he looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and put all the rhinestones in the pumpkin. Take a look at that. He's all sparkly on the inside. That is so fun. I love it. All right, so what we'll do is I'm going to reset the desk, and then we're going to come back and do the next step. Okay, so up next, I thought I would try something. I don't know if it's going to work. If it doesn't, we can, try something else. But I want to put some vellum through this embossing folder, and I want to see what this looks like. So I'm going to run that through. I'll be right back, and we'll take a look to see if we're going to be using this or not. Okay, so I ran this through the die cutting machine. Let's take a look at it. It looks cool. Oh, I actually cut through some of it, but that's okay. We can still use it. I think what I want to do is I want to see what this looks like on black paper. So let's bring this over. Oh, I think that looks really cool, actually. That looks neat. And I think we're going to do, let's see here. It's a cat, so maybe we should use the cat one. We'll do Happy Meowoline. So let's go ahead and get that out. And of course, we're going to do black paper with white embossing. So let's go ahead and get all that stuff out. So while we're doing this, you guys, I went to Virginia to visit my family. I needed a break, and so I decided that I was just going to go to Virginia for 2 weeks, see my family, hang out, refresh. I am from southwestern Virginia, so I got to be down in the mountains near the river, how I grew up, just chilling and, having some fun. I did have to do some not so fun family stuff, and that was one of the reasons I went there. I was actually dreading it, and I'm still not really into it, but You know, sometimes we have to do things that we don't like, even when it's with family members. All right, so we are going to go ahead and get this stamped out. Remember, light touches, doesn't need to be pushed down really hard because we don't want it to be distorted. There we go. Set this to the side. Now we'll get the embossing powder out. This, oh gosh, you guys, that's loud. This embossing powder is from Brutus Monroe, Alabaster White. It's my favorite powder, and I don't want to touch it, so I'm just going to do this. It's the first time I've ever done that, you guys. I don't like touching the powder, and when I put my hand down in there, I just, can't do it. All right, so there we go. We have this, the powder covering this. I'm going to go ahead and heat emboss it, cut it out with the matching die, and then we'll be back, and I think we're going to start putting the card back together. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we have all the pieces to start putting the card together. So I think the first thing I want to do is glue down the vellum here. Like I said, I probably put too much pressure on it and it tore some of the vellum, but that's okay. I think it kind of makes it look cooler that way. This glue actually may show through for a little bit until it dries. What I might do is actually spread it out with my finger a little bit to kind of make it look, you know, more like a paste probably. Just kind of make it sticky this way so that the glue doesn't really isn't very obvious. I hope it's not obvious at least, but let's see here. Ooh, this might not work, you guys. Hopefully that dries clear. If not, then, well, we'll just be able to see the glue, I guess, which is fine. It'll be all right. Makes it look spookier anyway. All right, so then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do these guys like this, I think. So let me go ahead and get these glued down. I'm not putting any dimension on these because they already have dimension from the layering. So it doesn't really require more than that. We want to make sure that if it does get sent through the mail, that it does not get returned. And I'm not going to press down on that yet. I just want to make sure that I get everything down where I want it to be before I do. There we go. I think that looks good. All right, so let's press all that down. And then for the sentiment, I am going to put some foam tape behind that. So let's go ahead and get that done. There's that. And there's that. All right, let's get the sentiment on here. And then, does it need some touch of fancy? I don't know. It's got a lot of touch of fancy already on it, so I don't think we're going to be adding too much more to it. Let's see. That looks good. All right, and let's get this glued down to the card base, and we're going to be done, you guys. It's a pretty quick card. I think it was like 15, 20 minutes. Not too bad. Getting the longest part is getting all the die cutting done, but outside of that, pretty simple. Alrighty. There we go. There's today's card. Check that out. That is so freaking adorable. It is so sparkly. It is like, oh, I swear, if I send this to someone and it ends up in the trash, I'm going to go burn their house down. So, all right, let's take a look at it forward facing too. Look at that. That is so freaking adorable. Y'all, I think I outdid myself. I didn't think it was going to be this good, and I just really, really enjoy this card. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Make sure that you click the links down below if you're interested in any of the products that I used today. Subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so that you know a new video has come out. Third, leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite part about this card is, what maybe some of your favorite products are from the release. And fourth, share the love. If you think someone would like this video, especially because it has a sparkly kitty cat in it, then go ahead and send it over to them. So until next time, I will talk to you soon. Bye.